The Aeroshpere Inhaler is a pressurized metered dose inhaler, which means that it needs to be primed before its first use. First, remove the mouthpiece cover. Shake the inhaler well and spray 1 puff into the air away from you. Repeat for a total of 4 puffs, shaking the inhaler before each puff. Once priming is done, you can now take the inhaler. First, you will shake the inhaler. You will remove the mouthpiece cover. Breathe out away from the mouthpiece. Seal your lips around the mouthpiece. Tilt your chin up slightly and begin to inhale slowly and continue to breathe in slow and deep as you press the inhaler once. Remove the mouthpiece and hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds. Breathe out. If another dose is required, repeat these steps, then replace the cap and rinse your mouth with water. It is recommended that a spacer device be used with this type of inhaler to help improve the delivery of medication to the lungs. These are available at your local pharmacy.